Hello, welcome to Hidden Gems. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Syncom Small Talk Product Manager. Hidden Gems is where we show you capabilities of the product that you may not be aware of, but we think you will benefit from. Today's topic is store image setup, some quick tips. Now, this is not about setting up store for the first time. It assumes you already have a store database set up, and now you're setting up a brand new image to use it. So in my instance, I have PostgreSQL set up as my repository on this machine, and here's a brand new image. So first thing we'll do is load parcels named store for P, and I'll choose store for PostgreSQL. Okay, now with that installed, you'll see on the bottom right there's a store, kind of a hidden menu, not really, but you can come to here, and when you initially set up your store and set up all your repositories, what I recommend you do is that you export them, because now for a new image I'm going to come right here and say import repositories and choose my repository file, and now I basically have it all set up. So I can go to the Syncom public repository, or for example, or my store. So let's go, for example, to the public repository. I'm now connected to it, and right from here I can say, okay, show me the published items, and go right to that repository. So again, I loaded store for PostgreSQL, imported repositories here, and you can also go to the export and give it the name and the place. And from here you can choose your repository and which to connect to, and go into published items, recently published items, etc. right from this menu. So what did we cover? We covered this hidden menu about how to import and export your repositories, which I recommend if you set these up frequently. And we used as an example how to go to your published items in that repository. So this is a quick example. This is a hidden gem and a true time saver. I recommend that you export your repositories, keep them in a place that is easy to import, and this will make your images faster and easier to set up. Until next time, have a great time with Syncom Small Talk. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please send them to myself, Arden Thomas, athomas@syncom.com. Thank you.